This is the Kincardine Record. It's Wednesday, April 4th. No, it's not January. Even though it kind of looks like January. I'm at the corner of Durham and Princess Street, and here comes a snowplow. Yes. Why do we need a snowplow in April? I'll tell you why. Because we just got hit with a snowstorm. Lots of snow, lots of blowing snow. No roads closed. It's really windy. It's cold. And if you're still down south, you might not want to come home yet. This is actually going to peter out in a couple of days. Then I'm not sure what it's leaving behind except a whole lot of snow. So, standing here in the cold and snow, it's the Kincardine Record capturing the weather.